Hello family, welcome back. Today we're making these delicious chewy apple oat cookies. Oats provide fiber, apples add natural fruit goodness, and walnuts provide healthy unsaturated fats. I'm using 4 cups of rolled oats in total. Take 3 cups of the oats and add them to your blender with 50 grams of walnuts. Blend until everything is finely ground. Transfer the mixture into a large bowl. Add 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix well and set it aside. Next, chop 2 green apples into cubes. Add them to your blender with 1 large egg and blend until smooth. Pour the blended apple mixture into the bowl, then add 150 grams of melted butter. Mix lightly until everything is just combined. We don't want to overmix. Now chop half a bar of white chocolate into small pieces. Now chop half a bar of white chocolate into small pieces. Add the remaining 1 cup of rolled oats and the chopped white chocolate. Gently fold everything together. Now here's an important step. Let the mixture rest for 15 to 30 minutes before baking. This gives the oats time to absorb some of the moisture, making the mixture easier to shape and helping the cookies hold their shape instead of spreading too flat. Once rested, shape your cookies and place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. 50 degrees Celsius, which is about 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for approximately 20 minutes, or until the cookies are set and lightly golden.
I used to run like I was chasing time, headlights fading on a lonely line. Kept every scar like a secret on my sleeve. Never knew how much the small things could mean. Now I see it clearer in the morning light. Every goodbye taught me how to hold on tight. Life, it's a blur and a blessing, a few hard truths and 1,000 questions. I've been lost, I've been found, I've been knocked down, still I'm standing proud. Every tear, every laugh, every midnight prayer made me who I am right here. And if the road keeps changing under my feet, I'll keep on living, I'll keep on believing. I watch my youngest